Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and welcome to a new video. By the end of this video you will be able to create this transition, so watch to the end to see every step of creating it. If you check the description of this video, you will find a link of the Filmora video editor. So after you watch and have gotten some value, just show appreciation by subscribing. Let's start our video. Drag and drop your two files. I am using the images, but you can even use the videos. Set the project setting at 60 FPS, or the minimum of 30 FPS. Go Effects tab, search for Chaos 1. Drag it on the track above. Count 10 moves from the middle, using the keyboard arrows. Then that's where your effect is starting. Do that to the other side. Then that's where your effect is ending. Then go Effects Settings by double-clicking the effect. Set the frequency to 1, the X to 0, Y to 0, then Z to maximum. Unselect the RGB. Then double-click this video, go transform, flip it from here. Then we have something like this. After that, export this. Click here and select Export the selected range. Then press Export. Tick right here so that your exported video will be automatically added to your current project. Delete this and drag the video you have exported here. Now zoom in your timeline and carefully find the middle part, then split the video right there. Double-click the next video. Go transform, and then flip it from here. But let's check the preview. So this is spin right, so for spin left, the process is almost the same, but there is a small trick that I will show you now. Let us start again. Our two videos. We go Effects and take our Chaos 1. Then double-click the effect to see Effects Settings. Again, set frequency to 1. Set these two to 0. And Z to maximum. Unselect the RGB. Now when you come to these videos, this time around you double-click the first and go transform. Then flip it from here. And export this. Cancel the Export Custom range. Then drag down the video you have exported. Zoom in. And split the middle. Then double-click the first, go transform, and flip it back from here. And that's all you need to do. Let's check the preview. That's it. If you like it, give a thumbs up. I am going to start some series, guys. I know you will like them, and the part 1 of those series is my next upload, which is probably tomorrow. So stay subscribed, and that will help the channel so much.